Oh, how's it going, guys? Welcome back. It's coffee time. By the way, so do you know when programming really started getting difficult for me is when I learned that you can use a function within a function. Those functions have their own abbreviated versions. And the same with if-else statements. You can actually take an if-else statement and turn it into something called a switch statement, which I feel there's not really much value to that. I guess you have to be open to possibilities. Whereas you can set an array to an empty array and then it automatically evaluates to a Boolean that is false. You have to think of programming as just like a game that you play every single day of your life, basically, until you die. So that's just the way it is. I just took a quick break. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.